Alrighty, it's Friday. It's about 12:50, August the 1st, Friday. I'm looking at prices, trading prices of stocks. I just sold, perhaps foolishly, some shares of Energy Fuels at 7.75 because it's a down day, and yesterday was a down day overall in the market. And I figured, it's a down day. It'd be a good time to sell something that's up. And Energy Fuels was up a few percentage points. I figured I can make money at selling it at 7.75, and I did, and I netted about $45, I believe. I don't know. I have to check that. I bought it at 7, just under 7, selling it at 7.75. I don't know if I had $1,000 in it or not. Could have been less. 100 shares. I believe I had 100 shares at under 7, sold at 7.75. I think I grossed 65 and netted 55. And I did that because overall the market is down, was down yesterday. I figured some other prices may go down significantly, and I wanted cash to buy something that was down. And I see that URZ is down to 114. I already bought some of it at 118, I believe. I could buy more. I think that trading in uranium is fairly safe because it's already at bottom. In the long term, it's poised to go up. Perhaps a little bit, perhaps a lot. But it's fairly safe as opposed to, for example, XUII a couple of days ago traded at 25. Put a couple of zeros ahead of it. It was 0025. And it went down to 17 for 25. And I noticed today it had fallen to 0014 from 25 to 14. And then a few minutes later, it fell to 0011. So from 25 to 11. It's more than chopped in half. And it could possibly, as I speak, it could possibly be falling below 10. And tomorrow it might be 5. Well, that's high risk. I hope I know better than to mess with that. And that's my point. And now I'm simply going to continue to look at what's going on. I'm refreshing the page so I can look at my uranium stocks again. URZ is still down at 5% today at 114. And Energy Fuels is still at 780. I noticed that Stratco SRSIF has a very large bid size compared to normal, 30,000 compared to 10,000 asking size. And in addition to European uranium, EUUNF is normally like evenly matched at 10,000 asking and 10,000 bidding. But today it's almost 30,000 bidding and 20,000 asking. Those are, at least at the moment, larger numbers. Could indicate an interest in big money buying in. The big boys might be buying in. Likewise, URZ, 8,000 bidding compared to 1,000 asking. Ooh, I've seen the biggest number ever in my uranium stocks. URG, ERG, at about $1.10. 101,000 is the bid size. 101,000 compared to 37 or 38,000 asking. That's the largest number I've seen in the uranium stocks. 100,000 bid size, bidding $1.10 for URG. And that's also a recap of what I did. That's a recap of what I did this morning. Approximately noon now. I wanted some cash to buy something that's low, and I only see that URZ is down 5% today. That's a possibility. That'd be a reasonably safe thing to do. I could buy coal such as ACI or WLT, but it's way down and it's likely to stay down for a year. So I want to buy coal soon at a very low price, expecting it to go up significantly in the next 5 years or 2 years. But I don't think it's going to go up significantly today or tomorrow, or this week or this month. So I don't want to park my money there. I could park it. I could park it and forget it. That'd be the advantage of buying coal now. Park it and forget it. But if I want to torment myself on a daily basis, I could trade in and out of uranium stocks. That's fairly safe. They are probably not going to go down significantly in the short term. They're not going to go up significantly in the short term. The long term, I expect they will go up a reasonable amount, possibly a lot. But if I were to buy and hold uranium right now, I think that in 2, 3, 4, 5 years, I'd be okay. But rather than park money, I'm playing with money, I suppose for entertainment's sake. I could park it in uranium and coal and forget about it. That would be an easy way to make reasonable money in the space of, say, 3 years. By reasonable money, I mean that the investment could double in 3 years. I could park it, buy it today, park it, forget about it. I could even put a sell order at double what I paid for it to make it even more carefree, and maybe that's a good thing to do. Buy something that's very down like coal and uranium. Buy it, uh, offer it for sale at double what I paid for it, and forget about it. Turn off the computer, walk away, and do something else for a couple of years. That is probably a very good strategy. Not very entertaining. I could find entertainment elsewhere. I could get a hobby. I could climb trees. I could climb up in a tree and look at the sky. I could get a telescope and look at the stars. I could put tadpoles in an aquarium and look at them, watch them swimming around. I could get a TV. I could get a radio. I could make YouTube videos. I could do politics instead of trading stocks. I could just buy it, offer it for sale at double, consider it parked for a year, 2, 3 years, and make reasonable money. And while that money was parked, if I was expecting these stocks to go up, I could be making money, earning money, job-wise, saving, so that I could park another 1,000 in these stocks that I believe are not for sure, because the dumbtards could take over the whole world and we could be stuck in a depression for the next 1,000 years. And uranium and coal will never go up because the economy will be sunk. There'll be no economy. We'll be dragging our knuckles on the ground. And eating beetles and roaches and each other. But on the other hand, things could go dramatically the other way. The Republicans could take over. Smart Republicans, real Republicans, could take over Congress and the White House, and we could enter a period of prosperity, peace, and utopia, realistic utopia, like what we had, say, the year I was born in 1954. I didn't know it then, but I know now that I was living in utopia, and I am still living in utopia. Life is good here and now compared to the average human being on this planet over the past several thousand years worldwide. I live better than a king from that point of view.